So for me, like these many threats that I was following throughout my career come together now. So the society needs robots that can work next to humans, and the care domain is maybe particularly striking. When getting old, it really is can be difficult, can be challenging. Your body is not as it used to be. The simple things get more difficult, like moving around gets more difficult, getting yourself, something to drink, cooking food for yourself, getting packages, all gets hard. And do you want to ask for help every time you need something? Like, do you really want to be this burden to your kids? You don't. And you don't want to go in a facility and live there. You want to be independent as long as possible. And all the science fiction movies create this picture. The robots could do something for you. Some tool that is under your control. You don't need to feel bad for using this tool. It could help you. However, it happens that these tasks are really difficult. To enable even simple pick and place and transport tasks next to human is challenging. Today's robot technology cannot do that. It had to go a very long way from the factory floor, where the robots can be programmed like a machine, like a program on your computer, to go from A to B. It doesn't work if there's a human in the loop, because the human can move in an unexpected way, and then you cannot just go from A to B. You have to control like your forces. Maybe you have a human in your way, which you didn't plan for. You need to be able to replan quickly. But to do that, you need to see the human first. So you need to see quickly. And this forces us to develop technology that is fast, energy efficient, because your robot needs to be mobile and autonomous. And by the way, you don't want to send the pictures from your home to a server somewhere in California, actually anywhere. You would like them to stay on the robot. So your all processing needs to happen on board. And this requires the technology that is faster, more energy efficient, and requires less data, can learn new things. So my daughter brought me a new cup. It's a really funny cup. It looks very unusually, and I want the robot to know this cup. So I needed to learn quickly, on the fly. Needs to learn quickly. And it happens that biological systems do exactly that very nicely. And it happens that we know how they do that. So now we just need to implement those technical systems, and we've been doing that for a long time, implementing them on robots, these biologically inspired algorithms. And then we just have to put it all together.